Hello YouTube. Had to make a repair to the tailstock. Okay, this sits down on the bed of the lathe because they're pointed. Okay, goes like this. This piece adjusts side to side. Turn it this way, so you're always centered. Okay. Well, I had a problem, but I fixed it. These little ears. You can see that little bolt in there. Trying to show it. That's how you adjust it. I'm missing one. Okay. Now I made this taller because this one just catches the top of it. We start out with a piece of metal, and what we did was, I'll take a close-up picture. We ground down into here, so it's set down in. Okay. So when we brazed it, it's brazed down in there. We didn't worry about cleaning up the back. If you could see that on camera. We just wanted this flat where the screw went. This has to clear because this rides up against there. Maybe that'll work. So we had to have clearance for that. So it's all fixed. That's how you adjust it side to side. We'll snap a couple pictures. This is just a real quick episode. I thought I'd show it. I forgot to take a picture before I brazed it, but I did explain how I ground down there. I used all my Dremel stones, diamond stones. It is kind of hard to do on brass, but it works. And didn't really worry about trying to hide the repair. You'll never see it. I did lose a little paint down in here where it got hot. When I was done, I covered up with an old pair of welding gloves for a couple of hours. So I kept the heat in for a long time. And I did warm it up, preheat it before I brazed it. So that's that. We'll snap some pictures. Thanks for watching.